Hey everybody, welcome to question number 48 here on Wagner Academy for the SAT math questions. It says if 10 is less than or equal to A, which is less than or equal to 31, and 15 is less than or equal to B, which is less than or equal to 29, which of the following gives the set of all possible values of A divided by B? And so we look at our choices here. We're saying basically what's the smallest we could make this fraction compared to the largest we could make this fraction. So the smallest we could make this fraction, since A is on the top, B is on the bottom, and these are all positive values. We don't have any negative values here. For the part here, that would be the smallest, would be when A is the smallest and B is the biggest. That's how we're going to have the smallest fraction. And so, looking at my choices here, if A was 10, that's the smallest possible value for A based on what I have up here, and B was 29, that's the largest possible value. 10 over 29 then would be the smallest fraction you could make with these as your possibilities for A and B. And in a like manner, this one and this one would be the largest value for A and the smallest value for B that you could choose. And so the biggest the fraction could get is when the A value is the largest compared to the smallest possible value for B. And so the ones in green that I've circled, this would be the largest possible fraction for these. So my answer based on that thought process has to be choice B. 10 over 29 has to be less than or equal to A over B, which is less than or equal to 31 over 15.